This is attorney Inderraj Singh from the Singh Law Office. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between a legal separation and a divorce. In California, a divorce completely terminates your marriage. So when a judgment of dissolution is entered, your marriage completely terminates and you become legally single. Legal separation, on the other hand, though, your marriage remains intact, but you can still file and go through the process of dividing your assets, your community debts, your community property, and resolve issues on separate property, child custody, child support, and alimony issues. And at the end of all this process in a legal separation, your marriage continues and you remain married. You're not free to remarry. So why would somebody file for legal separation and not for a divorce? There are many reasons. It could be based on your religion, your culture, health-related issues, immigration benefits, and some people just might need the time apart. Perhaps they're going through marriage counseling to kind of figure things out. Some people file legal separation so they can live apart, and then they can have clarity on issues like property division, debt division, child custody and support, and alimony issues. But at the same time, they want to honor their religious beliefs and cultural beliefs, so they file for legal separation so they can do both at the same time. Health insurance reasons. There are some health insurances which your spouse can continue to be on if you're married. So sometimes people kind of file legal separation so their spouse can receive health insurance through their through the other spouse's plan. Immigration benefits is another big reason. um, if your immigration benefits are marriage related, a divorce case can call those benefits into question. So sometimes people file legal separation to kind of preserve their immigration benefits. And lastly, some people, they wish to live apart, but they're not, certain whether they wish to divorce or end their marriage completely. Perhaps they're going through a marriage counseling. Perhaps they just need time apart to kind of figure things out. Whatever the issue, the case might be, they will file legal separation and have clarity on a couple of issues like property division. Custody is a big one, and they can use the legal separation process to kind of reconcile their marriage. One another thing is that legal separation at any time in the process could be converted from a legal separation proceeding to a divorce proceeding. So if you file legal separation for any reason, like the ones we discussed, or for whatever other reason, but and then at any time during the process you wish to now get divorced instead of a legal separation judgment, so you can then convert the case from legal separation to a divorce case, like I said, at any time during the process.